After all the work you've put in at this point of laying out your beds and getting your cardboard down, this part's really satisfying because it goes super fast. And if you spread, just 10, 12 centimeters of chips down, it covers the whole area. It basically eliminates the light getting to the ground underneath. So it pretty much immediately stops the growth of everything below. And as you'll notice as we go through the Backyard Abundance project, whenever weeds or grass start to peek through these chips in the season, we just keep covering them. And it just does a beautiful job of completely eliminating the weed cover or the grass growing through for the whole season. So be generous, get lots of them, dump them down, and just keep adding more as you need them.
Okay guys, hey Soda Pop. Here we are. We've got the 3 beds built with the 3 different kind of levels of pricing, 3 different kind of presentation styles, with the dressed-faced hollow block, the 1x8 over on my right, and at the back the landscape ties. This bed and the one to my right are both 5x12, the 1.5 meter by 4 meter. One at the back is also 4 meters long, but it's a little narrower. It's about 1.2, 1.3 meters, about 4 meters wide. So we've put cardboard inside the beds and outside the beds, as you saw. We've taken bark chips chipped from local hedges and trees. It's like a whole pile of forest here. There's a little bit inside each bed. It's also around the perimeter of every bed. That's going to suppress all the weeds and anything growing through. No pests or slugs are going to want to live in that. So the next step is to put the growing material or medium inside. We're going to take compost from the property here that we've been building soil with, put it inside, and then some soil. It's going to cost about $30 to fill each bed with soil and compost. So it's not that expensive, is it? $30 for all of the material to go in a garden bed, and if you use the model on the right, it's only $30 for the perimeter as well. So that bed built and filled, $60. Very inexpensive to have. If you did 3 drip lines, veggies on each side of each drip line, and each one's 4 meters long, you'd have 8 meters times 3, 24 meters of veggie rows in one bed. 24 meters, which is 75 feet or so, for $60. Not bad at all, eh? So we're ready to go to the next step, filling up the beds, and then putting a deer-proof perimeter around it as well. And Soda, as always, is going to help me out, but he's a bit shy, so he's not going to look at you. He's only going to talk to me. All right, here we keep going.